Hi, children. Here's what I have for you today. Look at this picture. Isn't it nice? Now, what can we see in this picture, children? Yes, you can see nice houses. You can see some water. You can see trees. You can see clouds. You can see sky. You can see flowers. Now, children, what do you think all these things form? ये सब जो तुम्हें दिख रहा है वो क्या है? You call it as a scenery, right? Now this scenery, in this scenery, you can see some things which are there with us. God has given us those things. So children, land, zameen, sky, आसमां, trees, पेड़, birds, पंछी, insects जो हम देखते हैं कीड़े, animals जानवर, water पानी जो हमें मिलता है, and food जो हम चीजें खाते हैं, जो खाना हमें मिलता है, all are a part of nature. ये सब हमें नेचर से मिलता है, फ्रॉम मदर नेचर. और इसीलिए इन सब चीज़ों को हमें संभाल के यूज़ करना चाहिए. हमें इनके साथ कोई खिलवाड़ नहीं करनी चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट प्ले विथ मदर नेचर बिकॉज इट गिव्स अस सो मेनी थिंग्स. वी एंजॉय वॉट एवर natural things are there around us. So children, today in our poem Nature, let us learn something more about the qualities of nature. What is nature? Nature is anything and everything which we get, which we have around us, which God has given us. Okay? That is called as nature. This is a poem which we are going to learn stanza wise. Now what do you mean by stanza? First 4 lines I will teach you, then next 4 lines, and then after that the remaining 3 lines. So that are the different stanzas of the poem. Okay, let's see the first stanza. Nature. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. So these are the first 4 lines of the poem. Now what do you mean by this? Let's take the first sentence. Nature is might. Now nature is might means might is nothing but powerful. Powerful. It has lot of power. Like what can we compare this power to? इस नेचर का पावर कैसा होता है? Have you seen a lion? Yes, nature is as powerful as a lion. How powerful the lion is? When the lion roars, जब lion आवाज करता है तो उसको कितना power होता है उस आवाज में. The same way, nature also has a lot of might, a lot of power. The next line is, nature is strong. Now, how can we compare the nature's strength to? What can we compare this strength to? You can compare it to Chhota Bheem. You all like to watch this cartoon, right? So Chhota Bheem also has a lot of strength. ताकत होती है ना भीम में बहुत. वो क्या क्या करता है उस प्रोग्राम में. So same way even nature has got a lot of strength. The next is, nature is beauty. Now what do you mean by beauty? Beauty means sundarta. Don't you think when we see the first picture how beautiful nature is? कितनी खूबसूरती है नेचर में, करेक्ट ना? Same way, look at this picture now. You can see a nice rainbow, you can see trees, you can see clouds, the sun, the green grass, flowers. So that is all the beauty of nature. It's so beautiful. The next line is, nature is moody. Now what do you mean by being moody? Look at this picture. Sometimes you see it rains, sometimes there is sun, sometimes you feel cold. These are the different moods of nature. Sometimes there is a lot of wind, breeze, storm. So all these are the different moods of nature. The next 4 lines, children, are: nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Now let's take the first line. Nature is smart. What do you mean by being smart? Yes, nature knows what it is doing. So nature is smart. It is very clever. Next is nature is blue. Now children, nature has different colors. बहुत सारे कलर्स होते हैं. कभी हम लीव्स को देखते हैं तो वो ग्रीन कलर के होते हैं, कभी हम ट्रीज को देखते हैं, कभी हम फ्लावर्स को देखते हैं, वो इतने कलरफुल होते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट कलर नेचर हैज. हियर नेचर इज ब्लू मीन्स व्हाट आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्लू स्काई. यस, द क्लाउड, द स्काई. हमने देखा है कितने अच्छे दिखता है जब क्लाउड स्काई में होता है. द स्काई इज ऑफ विच कलर? Yes, the sky is blue in color. So that is what we mean when we say nature is blue. Nature is green. Now what do you mean by green? As I just said, the grass, the leaves, all these are green. If you look at our planet Earth, look at this picture. You can see the greenery of our planet Earth. Planet Earth is where we live. Okay, we live on this planet Earth. So if you see this picture, you can see how green nature is. Yes, nature is true. That means nature is true to its promise. Nature हमसे कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता है. Nature जो हमें चाहिए, it gives us like water, food. Correct? So nature is our true friend. Can you see this? It is our true friend. The next 3 lines are: nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. Now children, what do you mean by these 3 lines? It means nature is your friend, nature is my friend. Let's see this. Nature is you, nature is me. That means it's our friend. Nature belongs to us. It is a gift given by God. So anything which God has given is precious to us. No, हमारे लिए कीमती है. भगवान ने हमें जिंदगी दिया है, जैसे वो कीमती है, वैसे ही जिस तरह से नेचर को हमें दिया है, that also is a gift from God. It is precious. And nature will forever be free. Look at this picture now. Can you see these animals, water, trees? Such a beautiful scene this is. Children, whatever God has given us, God has not charged us for this. भगवान ने ये नहीं बोला है मैं तुम्हें पेड़ दे रहा हूँ, मुझे इसके पैसे चाहिए, या मैं पानी दे रहा हूँ. Everything is given free of cost. हमारे लिए वो फ्री है, बस हमें इसे हमेशा संभाल के रखना चाहिए. We should always take care of nature, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया है. So children, this was our poem Nature. I hope you all have understood the poem. What we will do now is, जैसे मैंने पहले पोएम अ हैप्पी सॉन्ग का ट्यून बताया था, वैसे इसके बाद मैं एक वीडियो डालूंगी जिसमें गाना होगा. आप वो देख के यू कैन लर्न द पोएम एट होम. जिसके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है वो टेक्स्ट बुक से भी देख के लर्न कर सकता है. सो योर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे इज यू हैव टू लर्न दिस पोएम. जो वीडियो दिखाऊंगी मैं, उससे आपको ट्यून समझ में आएगा, आप फिर पोएम लर्न कर सकते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, till we meet again, it's bye from your Christine teacher.